When you need to easily monitor your flow measurements and historical data events over time, the logging feature on the F103 is the perfect tool for you. The log interval can be user-defined from every minute to daily. Events such as cleared total, changed menu settings, or factory reset can also be logged. Each log contains flow rate, total, accumulated total, date and timestamp, and log number. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set the optional data logging on the F103 Flow Logger and Totalizer. We will configure the data logging in this order. Set a log interval at every 2 hours. Set the daily log to one time each day at 1700 hours, 5 p.m. Set the actual time and date. Let's take a look at how this works. Hold the program button for 7 seconds. Menu 1 Total appears. You can use the Clear and Select buttons to navigate through the menu. Use Clear to navigate to Menu 10 Data Log. Use Select to go to Menu 10.1 Log Interval. To select a specific time interval, default setting is off. Press Prog to change the setting. Press Select to change the setting to 2 hour for a long interval every 2 hours. Press Prog to store this value. Press Select to go to Menu 10.2 Daily Log to select a single or dual daily log. This setting selects how many times per day a daily record is created. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select to change the setting to single for a 1 log each day. Press Prog to store this setting. Press Select to go to Menu 10.3 Daily 1 to set the single log time. Press Prog to change the time setting. Use Select and Clear to set it to 1700 for 5 p.m. or 1700 hours. Press Prog to store this setting. Press Select twice to go to Menu 10.5 Time HMS to set the actual time. We do not change the setting of Daily 2, as we've set the daily logging to only 1 time each day. Menu 10.5 is the actual time in hours, minutes, and seconds. Press Prog to change the time setting. Use Select and Clear to set your actual time. For this example, 14:30:00. Press Prog to store this setting. Press Select to go to Menu 10.6 Date YMT to set the actual date in years, months, and days. Press Prog to change the date setting. Use Select and Clear to set your actual date. For this example, 21.01.15 for January 15th, 2021. Press Prog to store this setting. Now all is set. We are going back to Run mode. Hold Prog for 3 seconds to exit the Setup menu and return to Run mode. Congratulations! You have now configured the data logging at the F103 Weatherproof Flow Logger Totalizer. The F103 has excellent prices and fast delivery times.